welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time I am super excited because I have a brand new set of gel polishes by Modelones. I've reviewed plenty of their gel polishes and I absolutely love them, and I think they're perfect for beginners because it comes with a whole bunch of different gel polishes for a really good price. So the set that I have today is called Visit Barcelona. It is available on their website as well as on their Amazon, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below as well as the promo code. So like I said, this set is called Visit Barcelona, so the colors are to die for. I did get to pick my own, but they have a whole bunch of different sets with different shades. So this one is more of like a fall winterish collection. They do have some pastel ones and some neon ones, so you know, depending on which one you want, they do have them available. But I am going to be swatching these bad boys today. I'm not going to do all of them because it does come with 36 different bottles. 4 of them are one of them is the top coat, the base coat, a primer, and a matte top coat, and then the rest of them are actual gel polishes. So I am only going to be swatching the ones that I'm going to be using on a set of press-on nails that I'm going to be making with this set. So again, I'll be sure to leave all of the information down below so you guys can go check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and continue watching. Alrighty, so here is a closer look at the box. So again, this is the Visit Barcelona collection, and this is what the inside looks like. So everything is really nice and neat. As you guys can see, we have some beautiful colors. I mean, we have a good range of nudes. We have some red, some green, some blues, some glitters. Literally a perfect collection. So as I mentioned earlier, it also comes with the base coat, top coat, primer, and the matte top coat. And then also I did want to mention that these gel polishes are formulated with a nail friendly formula, which is 11 toxin free, it's cruelty free and vegan, and it's also low odor, which is definitely a plus. So I am going to try to use as many colors as I can out of this collection, that way we don't have to sit here and swatch all of them because we just don't want to take all day. So I believe that I want to do, I know for sure, a glitter. So I'm gonna do, let's see, maybe this one. Oh, that's pretty. So this one's like a pink glittery gel polish, as you guys can see, and it's definitely very pigmented, which I absolutely love. So we're gonna put that one aside. This one is in the number 0115. I do want a red in there as well. This one looks like a very vibrant red. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yes, that's really pretty. So I'm gonna use this one as well. This is in the number 0239. I kind of want to throw in a green for sure. This one looks really pretty. This one is number 0954. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, this one's super pretty. So that's red, green, maybe an orange. So this one is number 1026. It looks like it's gonna be like a burnt orange. Oh yes, that's super pretty. Y'all, this one is usually like my Thanksgiving color, so it's definitely a to-go color. Like, it's actually pretty hard to find a shade like this, so I love that they included this in their box. So we have red, green, orange, let's see, maybe a burgundy color. So this one is in the number 0551. Oh yeah, or actually no, you know what, I want to do a nude, so I'm gonna do number 0013. This one looks like it's gonna be a pretty, oh yeah, that's pretty. So like a really light nudish color. What else? Maybe a gray. And I like how we get to, you know, pick from different shades. So it definitely comes with like a lighter gray, you know, a medium one, and then a darker one. Same thing for the nudes, and really same thing for all of them. So like it comes with, like, say your blue and then different shades of it. Red, different shades of it. Nude, different shades of it. So I absolutely love that. So let's see, what else am I gonna do? So nude, orange, red, green. Maybe we can do a blue maybe. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yes, this one's super pretty. So this one is in the number 0444. And then I think I want to do one more and that'll be it. Let's see, what about this one? This one looks like it's gonna be glitter. Oh yes, this is pretty. So this is like a silver holographic gel polish. So this one is a must, and this one is in the number 0573. Oh, let's see, maybe one more. Oh, I didn't get a gray, so I'm gonna get a gray. I'm thinking maybe the medium shade one, which is in the number 0612. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so I think that should be, okay, no, one more, y'all, one more. So I'm gonna do the white. I think this is a white. This is in the number 0555. Okay, yes, it is a white. So I think that's gonna be it. I'm gonna be using these colors to create a set of press-on nails. So we're gonna go ahead and put this over to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, y'all, so I have my set of press-on nails ready to go. So you guys are probably thinking like, what are you about to create, girl? Because these colors don't even look like they go together. But I promise that whatever I make is gonna be really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. So I know that I want to do stones on the pinky. So I am gonna be using the holographic silver color, which again is in the number 0573. And yeah, when I say this is so shiny, literally look how pretty it is, and then look how pigmented it is. Oh yeah, this one is absolutely beautiful. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one on the pinky. And I usually like to do a silver color underneath my bling. That way, if anything was to fall off, it's not gonna be too noticeable. And then for the rest of the nails, I'm gonna go in with the number 0013, and I'm gonna do that as a base for all of them. As you guys can see, the color goes on really, really well. The coverage is absolutely flawless. Obviously, you guys can see that the tips are clear, and then with just one coat, the nail already looks really, really good. And then it's also not too thick or too thin. And then, as I mentioned earlier, they are really low odor. I don't know about y'all, but I have tried gel polishes before where you can like smell a lot of chemicals in them. So I absolutely love that that Modelones, you know, is making sure that they formulate their polishes to make sure that they're healthy for you and your nails as well. Alrighty, y'all, so this is what the nails look like with just one coat. So as I mentioned, the coverage is absolutely beautiful. It went on really, really good, not too thick or too thin. And this color is to die for. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure these for 30 seconds, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so this is what they look like after I cured the first coat for only 30 seconds. As you can see, everything is completely dry. No wrinkles, no bubbles, no nothing. It is definitely flawless. So I already have my gel polishes on my little nail polish plate. As I mentioned, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave these colors right here so you guys can see the numbers, just for reference. So I'm just gonna start with, y'all, like literally it's gonna look so random, but just bear with me. I am gonna be using a small nail art brush to do all of this nail art, but it's gonna be really, really pretty. So just continue watching, and I really hope that you guys, I really hope that it come out how I want it to look, y'all. That's really what the goal is here. I have something in mind that I want to create, and we're just gonna hope that it look good. So like I said, just continue watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, so this is what we have so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, y'all, so I also wanted to throw in a little bit of black, and I just noticed that it didn't come with a black gel polish, which sucks because I feel like any collection should come with a black and a black, always, no exceptions. But I'm just gonna go in with my darkest color that came in here, which is number 4072, and it's like a really pretty navy blue. So our nails are completely cured. So now I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more detail. Alrighty, so this is what we have now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them back under the light for another 30 seconds and then we'll add some more details. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for the gel polish. So now I'm gonna go in and just add some bling. Alrighty, so this is how they look now after I've applied the bling. So now I'm gonna go in with the Modelones top coat and I'm gonna apply that on all of them. Alrighty, y'all, and then I just wanted to quickly show you guys the box again. So for the 1 million time, the colors are absolutely beautiful. I am in love. It comes with a really good variety of colors. They're all very pigmented. They all went on really good. As you guys can see, the coverage was absolutely flawless and everything about it was just perfect. The bottles, I forgot to mention this, but the size of the bottles is 7 milliliters, which is equivalent to 0.24 fluid ounces. So they are pretty small. However, if you're just looking to start trying out gel polishes, this would be good for you. Or if you just are looking for a collection to use on yourself, this would be really good as well. So again, I'll be sure to leave all of the links down below to their website as well as to Amazon, and I'll leave both of the promo codes down below. So the nails are cured now and this is what they look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put them on my nails so we can get a closer look at them. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look. As you guys can see, they turned out absolutely beautiful. All of the colors were definitely to die for, but y'all, look at that nude that I used as a base. You guys seen that I only did one coat of it, and look at that coverage. The color is beautiful and everything, y'all, just turned out really, really good. So again, that was the Modelones set of 36 gel polishes. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.